back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. If high paying customer support is your thing, then the company Upstart might just be for you. They have a 311 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. As always, the links to all of these pages that I'm sharing, if you want to read reviews on the company or get that application in, are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Upstart is looking for a product support specialist. This is remote for the United States. But Upstart is in the financial field. They do a lot of loans for people, whether it's personal loans or auto loans if you're trying to buy a car, and they are specifically looking for someone to work with their auto retail team on the front lines doing customer support. You're going to both be receiving inbound phone calls and emails from their dealership customers, working quickly to resolve issues for them. You'll troubleshoot and resolve any account problems that they have or tasks that need to be done, collaborating closely with support and internal teammates to build and maintain those processes, actively contributing to their technical knowledge base. And you'll have to navigate the auto retail solutions to ensure the customer account is configured correctly and aligns with the recommended best practices. So you're going to perform task work and projects as directed by your management, documenting all customer and internal interactions in the Zendesk platform. So you're not actually approving anybody for loans. These are people who already have accounts set up. Now, they are not actually requiring any degree. It says they prefer an associate's degree or equivalent work experience, but that's not required. The minimum requirements are you have some kind of knowledge in automotive, you have great communication skills, you can work in a fast-paced environment and be a quick learner, and somebody who is a problem solver. You have that analytical mindset. Now, they want somebody who can work 40 hours a week between Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time. So your schedule will vary based on the team needs. That's when their customer service is open. So they need you to be flexible in the schedules that you work. If you can work some evenings and weekends, pay for this position is very good. They're paying anywhere from $65,900 on the low end up to $88,000 a year on the high end. And of course, they also offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.